How to download all photos from Messenger at once. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Facebook application for that and get logged into your Facebook account. Tap on your menu page on your right-hand side to expand the option of Settings and Privacy. Then tap onto Settings. Under Meta, you will see More in Accounts Center. Tap onto it. Here, scroll below. Under Account Settings, you will see Your Information and Permissions. Tap onto it. Then you will see Download Your Information option on the second menu. Tap on it. Then tap on Download or Transfer Information. Now, if your Instagram is connected with your Facebook account, you will also see that just below your Facebook name. But for today, let's go ahead and just check our Facebook and tap on Next. As we would only like to download all the images, you have to tap on specific types of information. Now at this page, check the box of Messages, then tap on Next. Then tap on Next again. Then here, make sure that you also select the date range. Tap on anything that you would like. For instance, if you would like to download the messages and the photos from 6 months, tap onto it and tap on Save. Also tap on to Notify and make sure that you check on any of the email address that you have access to. As it says that the format will be HTML, you can also change the format and the media quality will be medium. Tap on Create Files. And just like so, once the information has been downloaded, it will notify you in the registered email address that you just entered, and from there you can see all the medias. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.